Hey everyone, when it's raining and it's dark outside, does your windshield look like this? Well, if you want to fix it, stick around and we'll show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our 2013 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be cleaning the windshield and applying a water repellent. I use Rain-X for my water repellent. I use a glass cleaner that doesn't contain any ammonia, and I use Microfiber Towels. We're also going to be using a bottle of water, a spray bottle with water in it, and I use a stool to make it easier to reach the windshield. The process is pretty simple, guys. You just spray the glass cleaner on the windshield, and I always lift the windshield wipers to get underneath those as well, and you wipe it off with the microfiber towel. We're going to do the driver's side and then do the passenger side. I'll speed this up so it gets done quicker. Now that the windshield is clean, we are going to apply our water repellent, and I like to spray it on a microfiber towel and wipe it on the windshield, making sure to overlap and get full or complete coverage. I also apply 2 coats, so we'll apply 2 coats to the driver's side and 2 coats to the passenger side. Now that we have both coats on both the passenger and driver's side, I'm going to show you the light haze that it builds up after a few minutes drying. And so I always touch it to see if it is still, the haze stays when I touch it, and if it does, then I know it's ready to wipe off. So let's do that. There's a couple different ways you can do this. I prefer using a spray bottle full of water and getting the windshield wet and then wiping that excess off, or that haze off, with a clean microfiber towel. I just find that the easiest way to do it. All right, now that that's looking all nice and clean, the last step we want to do is make sure you clean off both the windshield wipers. These can have dirt and grime on them, so you want to make sure to wipe them off so that they don't cause you any issues with spreading any of that on the clean windshield. All right, now that we've applied the water repellent, let's test it out and see how good of a job it does. I just take the lid off of my spray water bottle and pour it on the windshield so that you can see it beating up the water like it's supposed to. And that is what it should look like. Let's take a look as to what it looks like at night. I had to use my windshield washer fluid, so it looks a little bit different, but as you can see, it's beating up like it's supposed to, which is great. Thanks for sticking around until the end. I hope you found this guide helpful in keeping your windshield clean. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to check out my other cleaning videos with some great tips and tricks. And guys, this channel is made possible by your support, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, put some comments below. Your feedback helps keep the content coming. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.